good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Mary Grace B. Pascua, 28 years old, married, with 2 children, 13 years old and 2 years old, from Dipun, Quirino. I am only child and I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a caregiver for 2 years and 2 months for elderly. I know how to check vital signs, assisted with daily living activities such as grooming, bathing, dressing, giving meals and medications on time, changing linens, changing diapers, and with CPR knowledge. I have also 1 month on-job training in a hospital settings before I graduated my caregiving course.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my employer, please choose me as your caregiver because I am dedicated and compassionate with my work. I am honest, patient, and trustworthy. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you. God bless.